Lescott away, Irwin unable to control, and all of a sudden Forrester getting numbers forward. This is Harewood, and it's Harewood who scores. 1-0 to Forest. A mistake right on half-time on the edge of the box by Lescott and Irwin. Andrews finding Dennis Irwin. Into Ray. Irwin happy to receive it back. His cross in. It's found Cooper. It's a good save by Darren Ward. Mistake there by Dawson. Now this is Miller. Still Miller. 1-1. Mistake by Michael Dawson. Kenny Miller has taken full advantage, managed to get between Dawson and Des Walker to squeeze the shot past Darren Ward. Kevin Cooper. Edworthy. He's stopped in his tracks. Will be a Wolves free kick. Just 10 minutes remaining. The big guns will certainly be sent forward. Cooper is the man that's come across the taking. And it goes from Sturridge. It evaded Lescott, and Sturridge in behind. 10 minutes to go. And celebrations all around Molineux as 3 points, 3 vital points may just be there for the taking. Cooper with an excellent free kick over the head of Lescott. Sturridge not going to miss from there.